How to insert SD card in dash cam. When we have dash cam, it is essential to know how to insert SD card in dash cam. Currently, dash cam is an essential part of a vehicle. When we drive our car, it plays an important role. It also plays an important role when we park our car. When we buy a dash cam system for our vehicle, we should not forget about the important item that is a micro SD card. We need a good micro SD card because some cards may fail very quickly. In case of an accident, we may lose crucial footage. We should choose SD cards that have high capacity. We need to store lots of video files. We should choose SD cards that have class 10 with MLC technology. How to insert and remove the SD card in dash cam. For solving the issue of how to insert SD card in dash cam, we should follow the following steps. We should pull out the cover. The cover protects the card slot by using a paper clip or other thin tool. We find the slot is on the left end of the dash cam. When we enter SD card, we should slide the card into the slot until it clicks into place. When we want to remove the SD card in dash cam, we should reduce the micro SD card with the blunt tip of a pen. It will be arrived and then can be removed. How to take steps for card format in dash cam. We should format the entire SD card every 2 to 3 weeks. We need regular formatting for the entire SD card. It is essential to delete the protected file. We should delete the protected file and create the space for new recordings. We should follow the following steps to format the SD card in dash cam. Here is the description of them. We should head into Settings, Device Care. We need to select Storage. We should tap on Advanced. It is essential to select SD card under Portable Storage. We should tap on Format. We should read the arrived message and then select the format SD card. How to choose the best SD card for dash cam. How to insert SD card in dash cam. We should choose the best SD card for dash cam so that we can insert SD card in dash cam properly. For choosing the best SD card for card insert, we should check the several characteristics. We should check the card speed rating of an SD card. Class 10 is a class of rank on the upload speed of the SD card. Here 10 stands for 10 megabytes per second. Most of the affordable cards have slower read and write speeds. They are normal SD cards. As a result, we face problems. We need a reliable SD card. Generally, 2-channel dash cams upload 16 GB/hour and 1-channel dash cam upload 8 GB/hour. For protection, we should select reliable, fast, and durable SD cards. A faster SD card does not ensure video quality and durability. Dash cams need durability rather than the highest speed rating. SD card memory size plays an important role for dash cam. The size of the SD card depends on using of the dash cam. We should choose a decent SD card. We need an endurance SD card. Corrupt memory cards should be avoided. There are many types of memory card. For SD cards, we should select dash cam models properly. For driving recording, the max memory card size should be 32 GB SD card. It takes 3 to 4 hours of 1080p recording. For most of the drivers it is enough. We should use 64 GB SD card for parking mode dash cam. 64 GB SD card improves durability and gives us extended parking recording. For rideshare recording, we should choose a 128 GB SD card. Comparatively, these cards are more expensive, but they provide great value for the dash cams. Do we need backup SD card? We should keep backup SD card for dash cam. We need compatible SD cards. When we buy backup SD card, we should choose 16 GB or 32 GB SD card. We need backup SD card because our running SD card can fail. We can also not be able to save or review the footage in time before it gets overwritten. We can exchange our cards out immediately. As a result, we can keep recording. For this reason, the important footage will not be deleted. Why we need SD card for dash cam? SD card is essential for recording video footage. We should choose good quality micro SD card so that our dash cam can be able to adjust with the data. When dash cams record video, SD cards need to write the data. SD card is very essential part for dash cam for storing data. When dash cam has loop recording feature, dash cam can keep recording after SD card becomes full. When dash cam has loop recording, it can store video files on the SD card in shorter fragments. Time will be 3 or 5 minutes. Do dash cams work without SD card? Dash cams can work without memory card when dash cams have an internal storage. When dash cams have limited internal storage, we need a SD card for backup use. Dash cams can work without memory card in several ways. When we have internal storage. When we use Wi-Fi and record on a computer. What steps we should take when my dash cam SD card cannot be detected? When dash cam does not detect the memory card at the time of inserting into the memory card slot, we should make sure the memory card is not upside down. Most of the cards have small switch. We should ensure that switch is in right position. When the card is not still detected, we should power up our dash cam and remove the SD cards by using following method. At first we should power off our camera. We can do it by unplugging or turning it off. We should take memory card out before powering back again. More space is essential for dash cam memory. We should choose more space according to our budget. When we buy dash cam memory, we need to choose 128 GB of space. 128 GB space is enough for storing data. We can also find different kinds of memory cards. They have different capacities. They are 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, etc. How long does a SD card last in a dash cam? For 256 GB SD card, dash cam can record about 40 hours. For 128 GB SD card it takes 20 hours. For 64 GB it takes 10 hours. For 32 GB it takes 5 hours. Conclusion? Here we try to describe how to insert SD card in dash cam. SD card, it is an important accessory for dash cam. SD card plays an important role in storing dash cam footage. As a result, we can show evidence when we face unexpected events. It plays an important role in storing dash cam record. For this reason we should insert SD card in dash cam properly.